Hey friends, welcome back with a new video. I'm Zara, and I'm really glad you are joining me. In this lesson, we are going to work on English shadowing together with new sentences. This straightforward approach helps your speech sound more natural and boosts your confidence a little more each time you practice. If you are just starting out, don't stress. That's simply part of the learning process. Just stay relaxed, have fun with it, and try your best to keep pace with my voice. I'll talk slowly and clearly at an easy-to-follow speed so you can follow without trouble, and slowly build stronger speaking habits. Practicing with me today will sharpen your listening skills, your pronunciation, your speech rhythm, and your overall confidence in speaking English. Every time you listen and speak the sentences out loud, you're training your ear to pick up on the natural rhythm of the language, while your mouth gets more comfortable, forming the sounds smoothly. So don't just sit back and listen, speak every sentence, with energy. The key to getting better is showing up regularly, so aim to practice daily, even if it's only 5 or 10 minutes. After some time, you'll notice yourself sounding more natural. All right, get ready, and let's begin today's shadowing practice. Good morning. How are you doing today? Good morning. How are you doing today? Good morning. How are you doing today? I am very happy to see you today. I am very happy to see you today. I am very happy to see you today. This is my close friend from school. This is my close friend from school. This is my close friend from school. This is my younger brother at home. This is my younger brother at home. This is my younger brother at home. Do you have your business card with you? Do you have your business card with you? Do you have your business card with you? I am new in this place today. I am new in this place today. I am new in this place today. Have we talked to each other before? Have we talked to each other before? Have we talked to each other before? Your face looks very familiar to me. Your face looks very familiar to me. Your face looks very familiar to me. Which language do you speak every day? Which language do you speak every day? Which language do you speak every day? I am learning English with daily practice. I am learning English with daily practice. I am learning English with daily practice. Could you please speak a little more slowly? Could you please speak a little more slowly? Could you please speak a little more slowly? Sorry, I could not understand your words. Sorry, I could not understand your words. Sorry, I could not understand your words. Could you please say that once again? Could you please say that once again? Could you please say that once again? What kind of work do you do? What kind of work do you do? What kind of work do you do? That's good. We have completed half of our lesson. Let's practice more sentences. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Where do you go for your studies? Where do you go for your studies? Where do you go for your studies? I am from a beautiful small town. I am from a beautiful small town. I am from a beautiful small town. I practice English for 1 hour daily. I practice English for 1 hour daily. I practice English for 1 hour daily. I hope we can meet soon. I hope we can meet soon. I hope we can meet soon. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for spending time with me. Goodbye and please take good care. Goodbye and please take good care. Goodbye and please take good care. It was really nice meeting you today. It was really nice meeting you today. It was really nice meeting you today. That's great. We have completed today's lesson. Mastering a simple self-introduction is the first move towards speaking English with real confidence. Keep in mind that you don't need any complicated vocabulary to leave a great impression. Just talk clearly, wear a smile, and practice these phrases every day until they come naturally to you. The more you put them into practice in everyday situations, the quicker your progress will be. If this lesson was useful to you, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more simple English lessons. If you have any question, I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.